So today we are going to open a sushi blind bag. At the end I will show you how to make this sushi blind bag. So let's get started. First we're going to open the sushi blind bag. Now I would really like amazing, but rare and epic would also be good. Okay, now we opened our blind bag. Let's see what we have. So first we gotta pull out what we got. So let me see what we got. We got rare. That's pretty good. Okay, is this sushi bar? It's fun. So we got a sushi bar that is super cute, and that looks like Hello Kitty with an octopus on him, with plates and sushi. Super cute. Now we have a little diced squishy sushi. That is so cute. Okay, now this is what I got from our sushi blind bag. Now keep watching if you want to find out how to make this. Now I'm going to teach you how to make this blind bag. So first, here are the materials you need. A hot glue gun, papers, of course, scissors, and then stickers if you want. If you don't want, it's okay. And then we might make some squishies in our blind bag, so we need like squishy thing, but I'm gonna use cotton. And then we also have markers. First, we're going to get one piece of paper. We are going to fold it in half. Now, since we're making a blind bag, we are going to first write what we want the blind bag to be. And in this case, we're making a sushi blind bag. So we're gonna write sushi. Now you can make any kind of blind bag you want, but I love sushi, so I'm choosing sushi this time. Now you can write this, you can write the word uniquely how you want. Like I'm gonna add some black because sushi is black, the outside. Okay, now we're gonna write blind bag down here. Okay. Now we're going to draw 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to write how unique this is going to be, which we're gonna get a small piece of paper inside that's gonna say what we get. So first we're gonna write common, which is common, and then rare, and then epic, and then amazing, which is the best one you can get. Okay, now we're gonna color everything. Sorry. Okay, now let's draw a sushi. So, draw whatever sushi you'd like. I'm just gonna draw whatever comes to my mind. Now you don't have to draw what I'm drawing, but if you're gonna make something like a kawaii blind bag or a unicorn blind bag, try to draw what your blind bag is going to do. So then we can draw a cute face on your sushi. And then some places of the sushi you can color the color I'm using right now. And then now comes some more markers. So we're gonna get some other colors that you like in your sushi. Now one more time, everybody. You don't have to make a sushi, but I'm just gonna make one today. Okay. Maybe I forgot some cheeks. Okay. Now you have your sushi. Now we can make the inside of our sushi blind bag. Now we can put away our markers for now. And, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, now is the part where you can use stickers to decorate your sushi blind bag. So this is my sticker book, as you guys all know. And we can choose kawaii or fun stickers. We can put on, I'm gonna choose this flower. And I'm gonna choose the star. And then I'm gonna also choose this moon right here, if you guys can see. Okay. Close. Go. Now let's decorate. Moon. Flower. And then a star. Okay, now we have the cover of your sushi blind bag. Now first, we're going to make our surprise number 1. So take another piece of paper. Maybe we should make a squishy. What do you guys think? Let's make a squishy. Okay. So, first we're going to fold this in half again. Whatever you guys want to draw on here, you can draw on here. Now comes the markers again. First we're going to draw the bottom of our sushi. Now these shrimps are always alive, so I like adding faces to them. Okay. Now we also need a cute face for the sushi. We'll make it a crazy face. Okay. Okay. Now we can color it, our markers out. Time to color. Okay, now I got my sushi ready. Now if you guys need to finish up with sushi, go ahead. But now we're going to cut our sushi. So that we got this, we are going to take our hot glue gun. I'm going to tell you what we're going to do after we put our hot glue gun. We're going to glue these parts, and then we're going to glue it. We're going to take our cotton over there. We're going to stuff it in, and then we're going to glue these parts. Then we're going to glue it, and it will be a fun little squishy. Now, this blind bag is good for gifts, or just opening it to yourself can make you feel happy. So, yeah, that's why I chose making a blind bag. Now we can glue on here, this part. You see this bottom part, and then you can press down. And then now you have your bottom. Now keep gluing the tops. And then just leave a little opening space in the bottom for you to put cotton in. Okay. And now we are going to get our cotton right here. Right here. Just a little bit. We can stuff our sushi squishy in. So cute. And then now we are going to get our hot glue gun again. And then we are going to glue this thing on. But first, if you have any extras, just rip them out. Now let's start gluing our hot glue gun. First down. Now this is super fun and squishy. Now we're going to take this, just carefully put it in our sushi bond bag. Now we're going to make surprise number 2. So I am thinking maybe we should make like a sushi stand. So probably we should get another piece of paper. And then we're going to make the sushi stand. First we're going to make the top. Draw a sushi stand. There's not lots of sushi stands out there, but I just chose to draw one. Just make up a random number to sell sushis. I don't know if this is the number you sell sushis with, but just go with it. Okay, now I'm going to draw somebody here, like being the sushi person, maybe a cat, or maybe Hello Kitty. She's gonna be waiting for some customers right there. She's gonna say, what should Hello Kitty say? Come buy some sushis. Buy sushi. Okay, now this is the part where they sell the sushis. So first, let's draw some plates right here. And then different kinds of sushis. Now you don't have to add faces on them because there's too many to add faces. But if you want, you could always add some faces. Okay, now we're going to color. Choose to make this sushi bar 3D or not make it 3D, and you can make it as squishy again, but I'm just going to make it just like a flat sushi bar, although it's still gonna be cute. Now we have our sushi bar. You can also put it in our sushi bar bag. And now we're about it with our sushi blind bag. Oh yeah, one more thing. Remember in the beginning when I said common's common, rare is rare, epic is epic, and amazing is amazing? Well, now we got 2 more. Now I'm gonna give this person rare, probably. So we're gonna write, you got and then dun dun dun, and then inside you're gonna write what this person got. And since I'm doing rare, we're gonna need black spot. Okay. Now we're also gonna put this in our sushi bag. And then we're gonna glue the sides together. Sushi bag. Now you have your sushi bag ready. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, please.